Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming compatibility: Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, or a spare HDMI. Make sure the TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi network, or enable your phone's hotspot when Wi-Fi isn't available. Once done, open the phone's screen sharing control, Smart View, Cast, or AirPlay, and scan for the TV. Tap the TV name to start the handshake. This initiates the stream, so the device negotiates resolution and audio routing. You'll see a quick permission prompt on one or both devices. After you select the TV from the list, accept any pairing prompts on the TV and phone. This secures the link. Make sure the phone's orientation and brightness are set how you want because the TV mirrors exactly. If you used an HDMI adapter, switch the TV to that input. If casting, check app permissions for microphone or DRM content. Once connected, test audio and video with a short clip. If lag appears, reduce streaming quality or move devices closer to the router to improve throughput. To finish, stop casting from the phone or the TV to close the session cleanly and free network resources. If the connection fails or lags, reboot the router first, then the phone or TV. This clears IP conflicts and cached sessions. Make sure software on both devices is up to date, and if wireless issues persist, plug the phone to the TV with an HDMI adapter as a reliable fallback. One key troubleshooting tip: briefly disable VPNs and background downloads. They often cause disconnects and latency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.